Hi, I'm Tivy Jones with Hey Awesome Girl Creative Studio, and today I'm going to teach you the 5 things you can do to optimize your Pinterest account to help you get more clients, customers, and gigs online. So, for 10 years, I've managed digital marketing for a variety of brands. And at my company, Hey Awesome Girl, we pride ourselves in helping people understand how to leverage digital tools and resources to grow their audiences and their businesses. So, when it comes to Pinterest for business, there are a few things you want to keep in mind. Number one is Pinterest is a search engine, not a social network. And number two, you want to build your Pinterest account for your audience and not yourself. Both things are essential to your Pinterest account being effective to support your business. So, here are the 5 things you can do to optimize your Pinterest account. Number one, optimize your profile for search. Because Pinterest is a search engine, the first thing you want to do is make sure your profile on Pinterest is optimized for search. So, who's going to be searching? Your target audience. You want to make sure that it's super easy for them to find your profile and want to follow you. You can do this by using keywords in your profile name and adding a clear statement about what you do in your bio, and also providing a clear call to action. Number two, you want to make boards for your audience and not yourself. This is an important point because if you're using Pinterest for business, it's not about pinning content that you like or pinning content for your next home improvement project. If you want to do that, make private boards. Your Pinterest boards should be full of stuff that your target audience is interested in, and you want to pin a lot of it. I recommend having at least 10 boards with at least 10 pins each. Each board should have a specific topic of editorial direction based on what your audience is interested in and things that relate to your business niche. Number three, you want to use SEO tactics. I also highly recommend using SEO friendly board titles. Don't try to be cute or fancy with these board names, be straightforward. Remember, because Pinterest is a search engine, your board titles should be search friendly. The same goes for things you're pinning too. Use pin titles and descriptions that are keyword rich, things that people would be searching for, and again, things that relate to your business. Number four, you want to pin your own stuff. So, you also want to pin your own stuff on Pinterest, and there are 3 important things about pinning your stuff that you should know. Number one, have a board dedicated only to pins of your stuff, and make sure you drag and drop that board so it's the first board on your profile. Number two, make sure your pins link to your website. The whole point of using Pinterest is for making your work discoverable to people who might want or need it and then driving them back to your website. Number three, connect your website to your Pinterest account. That way, you can get specific data on how your pins to your website are performing on your profile and across all Pinterest users. This means if other people are pinning your stuff from your website, you can see how those pins are performing in your Pinterest Analytics dashboard. Which brings me to our last tip. Check and learn from your analytics. Pinterest gives you a wealth of information about how your pins are performing, but this is only helpful if you actually check your analytics. How do you check your analytics? Well, first, you need to set up a Pinterest for Business account to get access to Pinterest Analytics. You can do this from your profile settings. Once you have your business profile activated, you can see which pins are performing poorly or well. And then you can use this data to perhaps create tests for optimizing your pin performance. And those are the 5 things you can do to optimize your Pinterest account. Again, those things are: number one, optimize your profile for search. Number two, make boards for your audience, not yourself. Number three, use SEO tactics. Number four, pin your own stuff. And number five, check and learn from your analytics. For more online marketing tips and information about my creative studio, visit heyawesomegirl.com.